Female baldness. What is it and how to treat it? Are you suffering from female baldness? Stay in this video until the end and check it out an explanation about it, from the causes to the treatment. But first, please leave your like, subscribe to the channel and leave your comment. I like to know what you guys think about the videos. Well, popularly, baldness is an old acquaintance of men, but it also affects women. Baldness or alopecia, as it's called in medicine, most affects men because hair loss is associated with the presence of male hormones, especially testosterone. Women produce this hormone in a smaller dose, so cases of female baldness are rarer and less drastic. In men, hair loss occurs due to the action of testosterone on the follicles. What is a female baldness? Female baldness is a dysfunction that occurs progressively and manifests itself with the rarefaction of the strands at the top of the head, that is, the strands do not fall noticeably, the frame is more characterized by the gradual thinning of the follicle. Genetic factors, hormonal changes, inflammation of the scalp and low-protein diets are directly related to baldness, and in the case of women it occurs through two processes: the miniaturization of follicles and the reduction of the anagen phase in the life cycle of the hair, which is the reduction of the hair growth phase. Women who have a family history of baldness and polycystic ovaries, for example, are more likely to develop the condition. In addition, thyroid diseases, syphilis, iron deficiency, and some medications can also influence the onset of this problem. Therefore, it is important to always be attentive to the health of the body in general and consult a dermatologist. Diagnosis. Some classic symptoms to know if you have female pattern baldness are: hair loss at various points on the head, especially at the top. Decreased thickness and gradual reduction in hair volume. Enlargement of the part you normally part your hair with. Greater exposure of the scalp. When baldness is suspected, it is essential to search a specialist to give the correct diagnosis and define the best treatment for each case. Treatment for baldness. The biggest secret to a successful baldness treatment is not to waste time. There are effective healing methods, and the sooner they are started, the greater the chance of success. Among the treatment modalities are natural medicines, clinical and surgical. Most women respond well to treatments with natural medicines. I will leave a video here about Folifort, a natural medicine that promotes hair follicle regeneration, and can be used by men and women. I will leave the link of the video and the link of the official website in the description of this video and the first pinned comment. There are also clinical medicines, usually prescribed by doctors, and in more advanced cases may last a few months of treatment so that the effects can be observed. If there is no improvement, it is time to think about surgical procedures, such as hair transplantation, which should also be done always guided by a doctor. I hope I have helped you with this information and I really hope you feel good.